Alright, first of all, I don't recommend doing this, but this was a 2-day-old battery and was in a car that got in a wreck, and it had a crack right here and a little nick right there. That cell went dry, or down to here, and after I opened the tops of all of them, they were all low on acid, which tells me the parts store is selling batteries with less acid. It took a box of this to fill up the one cell I patched with a plastic welder. Like I said, I don't recommend it. We're going to try it. It was brand new. Let's see if I can get a picture of the voltage after I charged it all night long. I don't know if I can do this. That's pretty good. It looks normal. Thanks for watching.